western Butler County, southern Preble County, until 8:30 p.m. At 5:27 p.m., local law enforcement reported flooding from earlier heavy rainfall continues from Camden to College Corner. Some locations that may experience flooding include Oxford, Camden, Gladys, College Corner, Jacksonburg, Muttonville, Morning Sun, Lake Lock and Glen, Houston Woods State Park and Fairhaven. Any additional rain will be light, but it will take some time for flood waters to recede. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. To report flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Via social media when you can do